Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be planting some Plumeria from cuttings. I'm going to show you how we do that. Thank you for watching. Alright, so I've got two Plumeria that I bought while we were in Hawaii. This is a Jim Little Princess Victoria, and this one is a Jim Little Cindy Schmidt Orange. Jim Little has the Little Plumeria farm on Oahu. You can actually tour his Plumeria farm during the summer months. What we're going to do, and we'll go and get some labels made up for each of these. Get them out of the bags here. We're going to soak the bottom of the stalk in some water for a couple of minutes to get it good and moist to help place the rooting hormone on. And then we'll get them potted up. Alright, now while we have these soaking, we'll go ahead and make our potting mix. For my root starting soil, I'm using half peat moss to an equal half of perlite to give it a nice, easy drainage. You want the soil mixture to look like some crushed up Oreos. Alright, so now we're going to take the cuttings out of the water and we're going to dip them into some rooting hormone and get the base of the stalk coated really well. You just want the bottom portion moistened. And now that we have the rooting hormone on, we will plant these into the pots. You'll want to plant the cuttings at least 4 to 6 inches deep. And when you initially plant them, you can thoroughly soak the soil to water them, and then let the soil dry out completely before you water again until you start seeing some new growth here at the tips or some leaf development. And as you can see, you want it to be very well draining. Too much moisture or too much water will cause rot and kill the Plumeria. To help speed the rooting process, if you place these on a heat mat, the roots really like heat to start their formation. Also, you don't want these in direct sunlight, indirect sunlight, until they start getting a lot of leaf growth and a lot of root growth. So indirect sunlight, lots of heat, and a little bit of water until the leaves and the new growth begin. Today is February the 5th, 2025. I'll get you an update in a week and continue until we get these rooted and into larger pots. 18 inches.
Beaches, here they come.